Hello, and welcome back to my channel. I don't like when people say that, I really don't, but there's really nothing else, like, just hey, like, long time no see. No, that's weird too. Well, hello, and today I will be using the Nudestix x Allana Davison collab, Matinee to Soiree. I will be using that to create this look, as well as the Soft Glam palette from Anastasia, but yeah, I shall be using that collab to create this look. So yeah, if you like this, if you want to see how I completed this this eye look, please do so. I do have other videos. I don't know if I'd have them up at this point, actually. I don't know which one I'm going to post first, but my base tutorial will be up if it is not already up on my channel. So yeah, enjoy the video. Cool. I'm gonna let you go. This is a little weird for me, so I'm going to use the Nudestix x Allana collab. I love that woman. I'd simply die for her. I've said it multiple times. She's literally the only person on YouTube that I can stand to watch constantly. I never tire of her content ever. So yeah, I'm going to be using this collab, these products, and probably the Soft Glam palette, just to get like a cute, I think I'm gonna do like a really like hard, like soft, let's get this going like look. So first I'm going to use the color TERRA. It's a magnetic matte eye color, which comes in the collab. This is what it looks like. And I'm just, sometimes I think I could use this to contour my nose. Oh, I definitely could. I definitely could. It's nice to know. Nice to know for further reference. This might be my new contour shade. That's how white I am, is that would be my contour shade. Is it embarrassing? I don't know. Very nice, very beautiful. And if that's your type of look, and there. Y'all should know by now that is not my type of look. I am extra. So this is the shade GILT. Gilt. I have no clue how you say that. I'm gonna say GILT. GILT? I don't know, guys. I'm not the smartest when it comes to... And that's just the highlight shade, so I'm just gonna go crazy. Who cares? Who's gonna tell me I'm wrong? No one. No one. And then I'm gonna take that same brush. I'm going to take the Soft Glam palette from Anastasia, and I'm gonna go in the shade Rustic. Oh my gosh, I hate turning shit around. Rustic. I don't know if you could see it. I can't see my viewfinder. And the reason I've covered up my viewfinder is because I'll just constantly look at it. So I'm gonna use the shade Cocoa in the Nudestix x Allana collab, and I'm just gonna darken that outer corner. I'm gonna take a little more of that gilt shade. Gilt. I actually like applying it like on the little points of my nose. I think it gives like a cute little look. Okay. Blend that out, blend it. And then I think I want to darken the outer a little more. I'm going to take a little bit of CYPRUS, UMBER, I don't know, and just set that in a little bit. That look crazy. I'm going to take a little bit more of TERRA and come right here and just maybe like lighten things up a little bit. And if sometimes when I feel like this side is just, because look how pretty this side is. See how pretty and like, gorgeous this side is? This side is like, what the hell? And this is like my picture side. Like, my face looks less fat on this. My face looks less fat on this side, so I take pictures with this side of my face, and she never wants to cooperate, but it's fine. I feel like I kinda honed it in a little bit. So then I'm gonna take bronze from the Soft Glam palette, and I'm gonna put it right over what I just did. Do I want to put a neon liner on? No, I don't want to do that. No, I don't want to do it. I'm not gonna do it. No. Okay, so before I go freaking crazy, I'm gonna take a little bit of Rustic, and then I'm gonna take a little bit more of Cocoa, and I'm actually gonna use that as my waterline. Allana, if you're seeing this, do not judge me, please. I'm not as talented as you are. But for my mascara, I'm going to use the Lancome Monsieur Big Lashes mascara. I really like, okay, I know what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I'm going to use the e.l.f. Retro Paradise lip liner. This is number, I think it should say like nude 2 or something, but it doesn't. But this came in a set of like several things, so like 4 lip liners and a lip gloss. Line my lips. I don't even know if I line my lips correctly. I really just apply it as lipstick, to be honest. Then I'm gonna take the Allana Davison exclusive lipstick, lip and cheek balm from the Nudestix collab. I believe you can only get this in the collab. Yes, I'm right on that. I know that. I'm right on that. And this is shade Send Nudes. I don't know if I said that or not. But yeah, shade Send Nudes. And take a look at this. Should I add the Fenty Hot Chocolate gloss? I feel like I should. I mean, if I don't like it, I could just take it off. But yeah, also in this collab, so it comes with a red lipstick, which I almost ended up doing, but then I was like, I think it'd be too much. It's a beautiful red though. Let me swatch it for you real quick. Hold on. Also, I just scrubbed the red lipstick off of that right there, but how pretty. I love it so much, and it feels so good. Like, it does not chalk up or anything. It's a great lip. Everything else I used in the video, but the collab also, I don't know, I'm like out of breath. I'm out of breath. The collab also comes with a highlight and a cheek and a blush cheek stick. So, and I'm wearing the cheek stick right now. Does that sound wrong to you? Because it sounds wrong to me. The blush color. I'm wearing the blush color on my cheeks, and I've also like, I put a little bit of powder on top of it, like a powdered blush, but the the highlight is super pretty. It's super natural, like it's right there. It's really like a natural glow, which y'all know I'm not the most natural person, but I think it's a really pretty, like I usually set it when, before I like set my foundation and stuff like that, I'll put this on just to like intensify whatever powder I set it with. Does that make sense? I don't know if that made sense, but yeah, so this is the final look. Let me bring down this mane I got going. I feel like that looks suitable enough, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm also gonna put in some little mini hoops. I got these from Target. All right, and that is the finished look. Just like a little. You'll probably see better pictures on my Instagram, and which will be linked down below, as well as my TikTok. Yeah, I have a TikTok, I know. Oh, you probably saw it in the beginning of this, actually. Yeah, that's if I wasn't embarrassed and I put it in. Anyway, so yeah, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed. I'm trying to film more, but you all know how that goes. So, but I post almost every day on my Instagram and almost every day on my TikTok. So please go and follow those if you haven't already. Please click the like if you enjoyed this video. If you didn't, it's okay. You don't gotta like it. Subscribe if you want to, if you like this video. Like I said, I am trying to film more, but no promises, I will say. But yeah. Alright, well. Oh, and all the products that I've used will be linked down below. So yeah, go ahead and just, if you liked anything, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, I feel like I'm, okay, wait. If you have any suggestions for me, anything that you'd like to see, anything that you'd like me to try out, please list it below and I shall see if I can do it. If there's specific tutorials or anything that you'd like to see, please let me know and I'd be happy to do it for you. So yeah, thank you for watching.